Hi friends, I am MYS. Today I will show you how to access your host file and edit this file. Sometimes you need to edit your host file to prevent yourself from any prank or cyber attack. So today I will tell you that how can we access our host file and edit it. First of all, you have to click on this PC, go to local disk C, and then click on Windows. After clicking on Windows, scroll down. Here will be a folder with the name of System32. Now we will search a folder name as System32. Here is this folder. Now click on this folder. After opening this folder, we will try to find out a folder name as drivers. So here is the drivers folder. Click on the drivers folder. There are 5 folders in this folder, and there is a folder named as etc. Click on this, and here is our host file. Now click on this file, right click and cut and paste it on your desktop. It will get permission from you. Now you have to provide it administrator permissions to move this file, then click on continue. After clicking on continue, this file will be moved to the desktop. Here you can click on this file and edit it. Open it with Notepad. Open this file with Notepad and you can edit it. Anything you want to add in this file, right here and click Ctrl S. After this, now cut this file from desktop and paste into its original location. It will again take permission. Click on continue. It will be pasted in its original position. This was the method by which we can access our host file and edit it. I hope this video will be too much helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.